Welcome to our second video in our video tutorial series for accessing and using FSIcourses.net to achieve mastery in biology and physical science. In this video, we will show you how to register for our online courses at FSIcourses.net. Let's begin. So first, you want to open a web browser and type in FSIcourses.net in the website address area. Second, you want to hover over my account and click on registration form. Third, you want to fill out the registration form, being sure to complete all areas and click I agree to terms. Your teacher or group administrator will provide you with your registration key. Click register your account when you are finished. So let's go ahead and do a quick demo of this. So today my name will be Steve Rogers. So I put in my first name, I put in my last name. And then I put in my email or my username, and I'll go ahead and put in my email. So I'll be captainamerica@yahoo.com. And then I will put in my password. And then you're going to have to confirm your password, so you need to retype your password just like you typed it the first time. And it'll send you an error or show you an error message if you did type it in incorrectly. And then next, I'm going to go ahead and put in my enrollment key that was given to me by my teacher, or given to you by your teacher or your group administrator. So here's our enrollment key. And then I click agree to the terms and conditions, and then you click register your account. And just like that, you just successfully registered into your teacher's class. And so now I can take a look at my account by clicking on my account right here. Well, let me go ahead and save that, but click on my account right here. So when you click on my account, it will take you to your own personal My Account page, where it contains your name, username, email, earned course points, and then if you scroll down, it will show you a list of your registered courses. And if I click this arrow right here on the left of this Biology Course 1, notice it'll bring up a drop-down menu, or bring down a drop-down menu that shows your overall course progress. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the completion of our second video in our online FSIcourses tutorial video series for mastery of biology and physical science. In our next video in this series, we will walk you through how to access and navigate through your course content and material. Hope you enjoy. See you soon in the next tutorial video.